Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another perfume review video. My name is Naz. This is my channel, the King of Hidden Gems. I try to bring to your attention fragrances are usually very good value for money. They smell good. They're usually on the radar. Not many people talk about them. I think at least you should do your research, try them for yourself and see if they're any good to you. So in this video I have another unboxing and first impression for you, and this is the brand Asten. Brand Asten, as far as I could work it out, is a subsidiary or a branch of the perfume house of Anfar or Anfar London, and they are one of the Middle Eastern houses from United Arab Emirates. I unboxed and reviewed few of the fragrances before, and each of them impressed me so much, especially for the price. So this one is in particular called Asten Black Orchestra, Eau Perfume 100 ml. This one is targeted unisex. As you can see, very nice presentation, especially under £25. So this one is under £25 in United Kingdom, and let's see how it goes. So because I knew House of Anfar, they were doing fantastic job with their perfumes, especially for the price, you know, what they're doing, I had to get this one and see how it goes. So before I do the unboxing, please, if you like what I do, if you find it useful, informative, valuable, or entertaining, you know what to do. Hit those buttons. This way help me, encourage me, motivate me to bring you fragrances like this in future that nobody else is talking about. They are hidden gems and they are amazing value for money. So sorry about the noise. Let's go. Okay, so it's black and gold, which is one of my favorite colorings in any presentation in terms of perfumes. Attention to detail is very nice, especially for the price. And look at the bottle. The bottle is very good looking as well. It's not very heavy bottle, but overall its presentation is good. As I said many times in my videos, give me a simplest presentation and give me the best juice and I'm very happy. And the reverse, if you give me a very elaborate presentation with a bad juice or a rubbish juice, that would be a waste of money and time. Anyway, so as you can see, very good looking bottle, very good looking box. And here we go. So the cap is plastic, but it's got a weight to it, and the atomizer is golden. Black Orchestra. It's coming off. Anyway, here we go. Pressurized atomizer, very well done. Okay, here we go. So how is the Black Orchestra by Asten? And as I said, £25 or under, and this is targeted unisex, 100 ml Eau Perfume. And here we go. First impression. Sweet. So first thing it hits me is the sweetness. It's very sweet. It's between 0 to 10 being the sweetest. This is around 8 to even 9. Very sweet, or at least for first impression. Big on the florals. Massive florals body in here. I can smell white florals. I can smell some rose. I can smell some aromaticness in here. Oh goodness me, what a smell. Beautiful, gorgeous. On top there are some fruitiness to it, but the fruits here are like mainly like dry fruit, like on the dark side of the fruits. They're not bright and fizzy and anything like that. It's dark, it's serious. As it suggests, the coloring is very appropriate here. It's very serious, it's dark, it's mysterious, it's very sensual, it's very sexy. Massive on the spices. I can smell something like cinnamon, I can smell something like cardamom, I can smell something like nutmeg. But those massive florals is almost covering everything else, so it's big on the florals. Let me see, what kind of florals are they? Definitely white florals, orange blossom, definitely jasmine, maybe even lily of the valley in here. Yeah, beautiful. There's a coffee smell to it, little bit in the background. Little bit of coffee, little bit of chocolate, little bit of caramelly feel to it as well. The background is very deep and dense. So that's why it's quite dark at the moment. Yeah, I can smell patchouli, I can smell sandalwood, I can smell cedar. Definitely vetiver, there's a greenness to it as well, but the greenness is here is quite dark. A little bit of musky feel to it. There's a tiny bit of woodiness to it, but it's not much. It's not huge. It's a little bit of woodiness in the background. Definitely amber, definitely vanilla, definitely tonka bean. Wow, what a complex fragrance this is. This is beautiful. Yeah, massive on the spices as well. Layers of spices and also a little bit of incense to give it that darkness. This is super complex for under £25. Up, very beautiful. Okay, so it reminds me of Black Orchid by Tom Ford. Yes, just when I smelled it, immediately took me there. I used to have a Black Orchid many years ago, and this is definitely took me to that. I'd say easily about 90%. So it's definitely inspired by Black Orchid by Tom Ford. And what a smell! But it's very well done. It's very balanced. It's very smooth. It's good quality in here. It doesn't smell cheap or rough or harsh or any syntheticness. No. Oh, beautiful. Very well done. So if you like Black Orchid by Tom Ford, you will love this, especially for a price under £25. Sometimes even cheaper if you do research and be patient. The only thing is, because I never had anything from this brand Asten, I had many from the mother company, which is Anfar, but I never had this one. So I have to wait and see how is the performance. If the performance is anything good, then we have a big bang on our hand, because the smell is gorgeous. I love Black Orchid. It's one of my favorite of perfumes of all times. It's very complex, it's very dark, it's very mysterious, it's very full-bodied, so it's beautiful overall. It's gorgeous. Definitely unisex, anybody can wear it. You know, Black Orchid by Tom Ford is aimed at ladies, but many men love that as well, because really it's unisex. You know, anybody can wear it, and this one is the same genre. Gorgeous, very beautiful. Everything is balanced, very nicely done. Nothing is harsh in it. Very well done. For the price, yes. For a first impression, I'm absolutely loving it. But again, I have to wait and see how is the performance and development, things like that. For a first impression, no doubt, this is one of the very well done Tom Ford inspired fragrances, Tom Ford Black Orchid. So this is definitely 25 and up to be on the safe side, because you know Black Orchid by Tom Ford is very complex. It's not daring, but it is quite on the unusual side. So this one is similar genre, and definitely for mature nose, definitely for special occasion, going out and evening and things like that. Beautifully done. And in terms of sex, as I said, it's completely unisex. Anybody can wear it. And price, superbly right, you know, because it smells much more expensive than what I paid for it, which is under £25. So in the next video, what I do, I give you the report to see how is the performance, because I had a couple of Tom Ford Black Orchid inspired fragrances. The most famous of them are 24 Hours Oud by Arda Zafran, which when it came out, it was a beast mode, but lately if you go and buy it, it's watered down and it doesn't perform as well. It's still good, that one, but it's not as long lasting as it used to be. And I had a couple of other ones which they were okay. They're not that good, but they weren't bad. But this one, it smells very good. It's very good quality, very smooth, very rounded, and also smells quite delicious. Okay guys, if you have it, if you tried it, let us know your experience. That would be useful for others to read. If you like what I do, if you find it useful, informative, valuable, or entertaining, don't forget to hit those buttons. This way help me, encourage me, motivate me to bring you fragrances like this in future that nobody else is talking about. They are amazing value for money. They smell great, and they are hidden gems. If you want to purchase one of my own fragrances, they are out of this world. They are super artistic, very mesmerizingly beautiful, very mysterious fragrances, very mysterious perfumes. They are ultra beast mode, 100% natural, amazing value for money, but you need to live in United Kingdom in order to purchase them. I'll leave them in the link as well. Thank you very much, and I'll see you later. Bye, bye, bye.